All right. Finished spots, love. Well, almost finished anyway. I did some fine tuning, but it's all braced up, covered. That's what's up. Yeah. Next project, you see it. I'm finna. I got it post off. Then I got my shower area for outside when it's hot. That's what's up. Make a little gazebo like thing here with what fell, all that I stripped out there. I got plenty of wood, natural wood. Uh, that's what's up. All right. Say hi, Spot.